the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. This domain is an uncontrived ground of peace. The true nature of primordial peace does not conceive of emptiness or non-emptiness. The conclusion of thoughts is just not to think. Do not blame wisdom, which has no boundaries or center, for having or not having a border or center. The great light of faultless wisdom blazes in the self-luminescence of samsara. The sky-like condition of the source is an abode where the apparent world is wisdom, and this is the overall luminosity of wisdom. There never was an obstruction made by ignorance that is outside of the wheel of luminous wisdom. The wheel of all good awareness is not anything at all. It is not to be stopped. The reality that is not to be thought upon is not troubled by objects to be thought on or studied. In the samadhi of natural abundance, we do no acts of expanding or contracting our minds. We abide primordially in the state of self-liberation. The state of supreme enlightenment, which is not contrived, is such that no matter what it seems to become, it is not a material thing, but appears to be. In the mandala of the self-evident mind, there are vast hundreds of thousands of mandalas of freedom. They abide in the dimension of a wisdom that we do not travel over. Our awareness engages in them suddenly, without a meditation. When our own minds are not clear, we do not abide in this Dharma that has no duality. Our playfulness does not stop, however, and may be evident as anything at all. We condense our awareness into an uncomplicated dimension. Our statements keep to the wheels of grammar. Through grammar, we penetrate the dimension of the true meaning. Our awareness is free from holding on to the mirror of the mind that subsumes everything. We do not contemplate anything. The significance of luminescent wisdom is not apparent to us when we worship using methods that are secret in themselves. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky, this is the 8th chapter, the self-luminescence of awareness.